Most AI writing has the same problem. It sounds like AI. Open your blog post, open your competitors. Same intro, same structure, same tone, same CTA. Because every team is using the same AI, and the AI doesn't know your brand, your positioning, your voice, your customers, your category. So we built Content Studio differently. Upload your tone documents, writer samples, case studies, product positioning, your founder's voice, and suddenly every draft stops sounding like the internet and starts sounding like your team. Not just professional, but friendly. Not just authoritative, yet approachable. Actually, you. Your phrasing, your edge, your contrarian takes. Because the future of AI content isn't faster content. It's content nobody else can write. SEORCE Content Studio trains AI on your brand, so your content stops sounding interchangeable.